What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Demo, right back here again with another video. My battery's low, so I've been trying to rush through this. Not rush through it, but still give y'all good content while I'm making it kind of fast. So today we got an unboxing. 2 for 2. I'm 2 for 2. Yes, thank goodness. So today is July 23rd. So y'all know it came out this weekend. We got the Nike box. So hey, I know y'all ready for it. Y'all probably seen it, but who cares? Let's do it again. Let's get into it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are 2 for 2. As you can see, we got the mocha in red Jordan 1 box. I'm pretty sure y'all know what these are, baby. For y'all out there, receipt police. Air Jordan 1 Low OG. The front's very different than the last ones. Y'all know what this is. Without further ado, let's see. We got black sail dark mocha, size 10.5. Retail was $130, size 10.5. False alarm. So we got your pink wrapping paper again. The box is smaller, so you already know what it is. Cactus Jack embroidery on the paper. Logos. Here we go, boys. We got them again. We hit again. Your Cactus Jack lows, Travis Scott 1 lows, whatever you want to call them, with the laces, man. This is a fire low shoe. You got your nudes colored, like your sails, your browns, your blacks, whites. Once again, a fire shoe. I'm not gonna complain. And these are just so beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. Just how he has to incorporate the red with the black and the brown. You don't really see that much. But guess who's excited? Me. We got them again. We got the highs, so now we got the lows. Shout out to the wonderful people at Nike. I tried to get them earlier on Nike, but I had to close the app, restart it, then enter the draw. The draw wasn't even available at first. But here goes probably one of my favorites again, because I don't wear lows, but once again, my favorite artist had to cop. Got the Cactus Jack on the side with the red. But as y'all know, I'm finna give y'all the B-roll, because I'm excited. I got these again. Look at that suede. Suede's so beautiful. But anywho, we got the wax laces now. Wow, just like the fours. I want to say the fours have wax laces. I have to check when I go back inside. Slight flicks. Yeah, so back to do, man. I'm finna give y'all some B-roll. The Cactus Jack 1 low. Yeah, we got them again. You got your 3 laces. Got your got your red, pink, and black. I don't know what laces I'm putting in, but anywho, finna give y'all the B-roll. And just like that, we got them again. See y'all later on the next one with my grill unboxing. Yes, I got my grill, one of my grills, so yeah. Shout out Travis, shout out Jordan Brand. I'll see y'all on the next one. Here goes the B-roll and some on feet. Peace.